Solve for x in the quadratic equation below using the quadratic formula. 3x squared minus 2x equals 2x plus 7. So remember that the quadratic equation, when you have an equation of this format, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the quadratic equation says that x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So if we have a quadratic equation such as this one over here, all we have to do is rewrite it in this format down here, figure out our a, b, and c values, and then plug them back in to this quadratic equation right over here, the quadratic formula, in order to determine the values of the zeros. Let's begin by rewriting our equation up here in this format down here, in standard format for a quadratic. So let's move our values on the right side of the equation to the left side so that we have a statement that is equal to 0. If we subtract negative 2x from both sides, that gives us 3x squared minus 2x minus another 2x is going to give us minus 4x equals 7. And now if we subtract 7 from both sides, that gives us a new formula or a new equation where we have 3x squared minus 4x minus 7 equals 0. Let's identify our a, b, and c values. Our a value is the coefficient of the x squared term, which is 3. Our b value is the coefficient of the x term, which is negative 4 in this case. And our c value is the constant at the end, which is negative 7 in this case. So we can plug these into the quadratic formula and solve for x. So if we plug in negative 4 for b, we get negative 4, which is just 4, plus or minus negative 4 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 7 all over 2 times 3. And then we can simplify this out. Ultimately, we get to 4 plus or minus square root of 100 over 6, which equals 4 plus 10 over 6, or 4 minus 10 over 6. And if you simplify that further, you get x can equal 7 over 3 or negative 1. These are the locations, the values of x, where the graph will cross the x-axis or where y will be equal to 0.